In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Basecamp for project management. We'll start by signing in and then take a guided tour of the core tools you'll use every day to keep your projects organized and your team aligned. Open your browser and head to the Basecamp login page. On the sign-in screen, type your email address and click Next. On the following screen, enter your password to complete the sign-in. Keep your credentials secure and make sure you're using the email that has access to your organization's Basecamp. Once you're in, go to the home screen. This is your command center. From here, you can see the projects you're part of, and if you have permission, create new ones. It's a great place to get oriented because everything in Basecamp revolves around projects. Next, click into a project. Inside, you'll see a set of tools designed to handle communication, tasks, files, planning, and updates, all in one place. Start with the message board. This is where you post announcements, pitch ideas, and keep discussions on topic. Use clear subjects, explain the context, and attach any relevant files so teammates can follow along without digging through chat threads. It's perfect for decisions and updates that need to be easy to find later. Head over to To-Dos to create checklists and assign work to teammates. Break larger efforts into actionable tasks, add due dates, and write short descriptions so expectations are clear. As work progresses, check items off to keep momentum visible to everyone. Open docs and files to upload important assets like PDFs, images, and documents. Organize them logically and give files meaningful names so people can find the latest version quickly. Keeping materials here ensures the whole team has a single source of truth. Explore the card table next. Think of it like a Kanban board. You move cards across columns as their status changes. Create cards for pieces of work, add details, and drag them from, say, to do, to in progress, to done. Keep columns simple so the flow of work is obvious at a glance. Visit Schedule to see deadlines and upcoming tasks in calendar form. This view helps you spot bottlenecks, plan workload, and make sure key dates aren't missed. Use chat for quick, real-time conversations with your team. It's great for fast questions and coordination. Save the message board for decisions and announcements you'll want to reference later. Finally, check project activity to review recent changes and updates. This gives you a timeline of who did what and when, so you can stay informed without chasing people for status. That's the tour. With these tools, message board, to-dos, docs and files, card table, schedule, chat, and project activity, you'll keep projects moving smoothly in Basecamp.